Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Esther, and if you are subscribed, hey girl, hey, welcome back. Today is going to be a late night clean with me. My house is a disaster per usual, what's new? But my husband and my daughter both got sick, so all day I have been cleaning, and at the end of the night, it was still a mess. So let's clean this house up so tomorrow we can wake up to a fresh start. So to start this clean with me, I started by putting away all of the clean dishes, and I'm gonna start a fresh load of more dirty dishes. Show you guys my sink. I don't know what causes it to scuff and stain like that, but if you guys have any tips on how to clean it, I've tried bleach, I've tried like lemon and scrubbing it, but it doesn't seem to work. And we are also looking for a new faucet sink faucet thingy-majagger, and we are trying to find the better one. But if you guys could give me some recommendations, that would be greatly appreciated. And since I knew I was going to be waking up to a somewhat clean house, I decided to prep my coffee for the next morning. Guys, my daughter is a Tupperware thief. I found like 4 more dishes that I had to wash after I just finished cleaning. surprise for you. I've got a surprise for you. Come over this way. What is this? What is this? Oh. Is that your blankie? Is that blankie? Did you miss him? No, we don't have to clean him anymore. He's all clean. Those need to dry longer though. Are you happy about him? And right when I thought that I was completely done cleaning, there was a plate that I had completely forgotten. So, there's that. This spring, I'm hoping to completely reorganize Brinley's bedroom, going through all of her clothes and toys and getting rid of and donating whatever she does not use because this room is too cluttered. What did he say? Bye-bye. Oh, she's so cute. Alrighty guys, that's the end of today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a like, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys! Oh yeah. But yeah. I love you. Ow! I love you. I love you. I love you. That is my nose. Where's your nose? Good job.